Hello, welcome back. It's been a while, I know, but today's video is going to be about these good old Fenty. We're gonna see how good it is. What is the word that I'm looking for? Primer. We're gonna see how good this primer is, and I'm going to be testing it on an orange. Primers are supposed to help so you have like a smooth canvas when you put your makeup on, because you don't want to put your makeup on and you can see like your pores. So the orange, you know, is kind of lumpy. It's going to represent the pores, and I'm going to demonstrate and see if the Fenty Pro Filler actually does what it's supposed to do, or did I just waste my money because it's Riri. So here's our trusty orange. So as you can see, these are going to represent the pores that are on your face, and I'm gonna apply the Fenty primer on that area, and then we're gonna see. So before I do that, I'm going to one side I'm gonna put MAC foundation so you can see what it looks like without any of the primer, and then so you can see what it looks like after you put the primer. So we're gonna be using MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I love this. This is my first time actually trying MAC foundation, and I'm so obsessed with it. I have it on my face right now. I have this color NC60. So just gonna put on a sponge. And we're gonna apply it to the orange. Gonna need a little bit more so you guys can actually see it. There we go. Okay. Stay, sponge. So there, we'll get it in better focus for you guys. You can see the pores on it. That's not what you want your skin to look like. That's not what you want your foundation to look like on your skin. So we're going to try it on the other side with the Fenty. So we're just going to put some on. I'm gonna rub it just like you would on your face. So it's in. Now we're gonna go back in that area with the foundation and see if it actually works. Okay. I'm gonna show you a close-up in a minute when I'm done, so you guys can see if there is a difference. So this is gonna be the side, once it gets in focus, with the Fenty side, the primer side, and then this is the side without. So you can kind of see there is a difference. You see more of the pores here than you do here. See that? No. Yes. No. Yes. So, Free didn't let me down. So it does do what it's supposed to do. So ladies, please use your primers before you put on your foundation. I promise you it makes a total difference, especially if you're a person that has large pores. After you put on your foundation, you're gonna, the longer the day goes on, the worse it'll look. So if you have that primer on to help you, it'll decrease and minimize how much your pores are showing. And it's also better for your skin, because you don't want like your makeup to be clogging your pores and stuff, and then you break out, then you have to go on a whole binge of how you're going to treat yourself with your acne and all, blah 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 blah. We don't want to go down that road. So ladies, if you want, get the Fenty. A little goes a long way. I've had this for a while, and I can't really tell how much I have left in it, but it's worth it. So thank you for tuning into my channel. I'll be back with more tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you lovelies later. Bye.